Welcome back to Beautyistic, gorgeous souls. Today, we're exploring a blush that promises to stay put all day while giving you a natural, buildable flush, the KIKO Milano Unlimited Blush in shade 03 Golden Coral. It's a powder blush with a matte finish, designed to offer a customizable, buildable coverage, so you can go from a soft glow to a more vibrant pop of color, depending on your mood or occasion. Right off the bat, the first thing I noticed about this blush is its finely milled texture. It's soft, smooth, and blends effortlessly into the skin without looking cakey or powdery. The Golden Coral shade is warm and luminous, ideal for bringing out a healthy glow on medium to warm skin tones. But it's versatile enough that lighter or deeper complexions could also layer it for a tailored effect. KIKO's formulation is designed for long-lasting wear, so it's supposed to resist fading or patchiness throughout the day. When I tried it, applying it with a fluffy brush made layering really easy. One swipe gave a subtle, natural tint, perfect for a daytime look. Build it up with a couple more passes, and the color intensified without looking harsh. That's the beauty of buildable coverage. The powder felt lightweight on my skin and didn't emphasize texture, which is always a huge plus in a blush. I also tested it over a few hours of wear, through light activity and normal skin oils, and it held up remarkably well. No blotching or streaking, and it retained that soft matte finish without looking flat. I'd say the biggest strengths here are definitely the blendability, the natural finish, and the long-lasting formula. The compact is also sleek and sturdy, which makes it travel-friendly. On the flip side, if you're someone who loves very intense pigment in one swipe, this blush might feel a bit subtle at first. You'll need to build it gradually for a bolder look. In terms of value, KIKO Milano products generally hit that sweet spot where the quality rivals higher-end brands, but at a more accessible price point. Considering the smooth formulation, long wear, and buildable versatility, I'd say it's very reasonably priced for what you're getting. Compared to similar powder blushes from other mid-range brands, this one holds up really well. The staying power is often superior, and the powder itself feels more finely milled than some competitors. The build quality of the compact is solid. The hinge feels durable, and the product itself maintains its integrity over multiple uses. No crumbling or fallout issues, which makes it reliable for everyday use or when you're on the go. If you're considering alternatives because of budget or shade preference, there are other mid-range buildable blushes that can offer similar results. But the long-lasting wear and soft matte texture of this KIKO blush give it a subtle edge. So the verdict? KIKO Milano Unlimited Blush in Golden Coral delivers a lightweight, blendable, and long-wearing blush that gives a healthy, buildable glow without fuss. It's especially great for anyone who prefers control over their intensity and wants a reliable, everyday option in a gorgeous, warm coral tone. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried this blush, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.